Hey guys, so MOG has just released a new song called Amen. We as the instrumentalists, we need to pick some things from the song. For we pick bass lines. Okay, the bass line that was played in that song was something else. You can use that bass line in high life or something groovy, any kind of groove, you understand. So I am here to teach you the bass line they played in that song. It is useful out there. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to learn and use the bass line out there, watch this video to the end so that you can know how to use the bass line. Okay, I also do private class lessons, song breakdown like this. I just don't do any song on YouTube, depends on the copyright. Okay, so if you're interested, there's a link in the comment section below. Click on that link and to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. It's a new release. You can just click here to go watch the song and listen to the vibe, like the progression and stuff. But if you already listened to the song, you can just stay by, learn and later go with the song. Okay, so let's go. The song was played on key F sharp. So it goes like this. So that is 5 6 1 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Then you have your 5 flats. Okay. Da 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 da. 3 4. Okay, 3 4. Then you have your 6 7. Okay. So when you're done playing your 7, then you do 5 6 2 3 6. Then 2 3 4 7. Okay. Then 1 1 1. That's for the intro. Okay. That's your 4. That's 6 7. So 4 6 7. It's like you're going to F4, then 6 5. What he did 6 7. You can do 6 5 too. Okay. That's the 4. Yeah, you see. So 6 5. Okay. That's your 1. So da 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 1 3 4 6 7. So 1 3 4 6 5. 1 3 4 6 7. Okay. So when you don't play 6 7, or 6 2 2 5 5 1. You understand? Okay. So you do something like this. Okay, you can learn this or you can just do it the simple way. So 6 5 2 1. Then you slide to your 3 3 octave, then 4. You have your 6. Okay, then you slide to your 6 and your 1 and your 7 and your 2. Or you can just do it simple. 1 3 4 6 7. Or you do it this way. You understand? Okay. So when you're done, 6 2 2 5 5 1. You understand? Okay. Okay, so you have your 1 here. Okay, so it goes like this. Then 6 7. Okay. So you do it again. Now you do to your 2 6 2 6 to 5 2 6 to 5. So the first one 6, 7. Okay. 2, 6 to 5. Okay. So do your 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. So target that. So 1, 3, 4, and 6, 7. You can have your 6 here and play your 7 here. Okay. 6, 2, 5, 5, 1. Again. You can do a 3, 4, and 7. Then your 2, 6, 5, 5, 1. So okay, so when you're done playing 6, 7, so you need to learn that too. So 6, 7. So 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. Then you octave 4. Then 6, 4, 1, 6, then 2, 5. Okay. 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 1, then 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. To your 6, to your 2, your ending 5, 5, 5, 1. So this one goes like this. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 1, 6, 4, 1, 6, 7, 7. So you do a 3, 3, then 3, 3, 6, 4, 1, 6, 5, 5. 6, 4, 1, 6, 5, 5. Okay. 1, 4, 6, 7, or 5. 6, 2, 5. So osade. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 2, 5, 5, 1. You understand? Okay, so these are the few bass lines I can give to you on this song. Okay, for me, what I took from these lines is my 4, 6, 7. So I took this and this one. That is 1, 4, 5 progression. That is where you can apply this. Then you understand? Then 1, 3, 4. Then to your 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 5, 5, 1. You're ending. Okay, learn and master this bass line very, very well. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye for now.